So, hello guys, welcome back to my channel EDULON Education. So, today we all will be studying a chapter, which really seems to be interesting and is interesting app development Thunkable. So, I should indeed say that this chapter was the chapter which I first uploaded, and it's really a good chapter. And in this, there's nothing more to be explained. As the chapter name suggests, Thunkable. So I've already uploaded a video of Thunkable practical, and there are only 4 to 5 pages which are theory based in this chapter. Now talking about that. So now what is an app? YouTube is an app, Facebook is an app, Instagram is an app, Facebook is an app, Instagram, Snapchat, Moj, Truecaller, these all are, I should say, the apps. So what are the apps? Because you cannot write over there Facebook, Instagram, these are known as apps. So now you know what are Facebook, etc. So you may give me marks. So you cannot write this in examples. You can definitely write these examples of the apps which you use at your homes. So an app is also called an application software. It consists of programs designed to make users more productive or assist them with personal tasks. It can run on a mobile phone, computer, or on any internet-enabled electronic device. Now, what does this long word, internet-enabled electronic device, means? Internet, we all know. We all use it every day. What do we use this every day? Internet. Through which you are able to watch this video is also due to internet. Because of internet, you can view, I should say, any video perfectly, without any hesitation, without any lack of internet. If there's any lack of internet, the video may pause, it may show that there's no connection, please check your internet connection. But if there's completely internet, you can access an app easily, because an app developer types a lot of codes, they spend a lot of days in making an app, right? It takes a lot of time, hard work, and our concentration to make an app. So the ones who make app, they just want this internet, right? There's some sort of full discussion around when an app is released on Play Store as well. So now app is a modern name for word application or software. पहले ऐप को जगह हम क्या बोला करते थे? सॉफ्टवेयर. ऐप की जगह हम पहले बोला करते थे सॉफ्टवेयर. इट इज़ ओरिजिनली रेफर टू एज मेनी मोबाइल और डेस्कटॉप एप्लीकेशन. अब आपकी जैसे लैपटॉप्स पे गूगल क्रोम है, इट्स नॉट एन ऐप बेसिकली, इट्स एन सॉफ्टवेयर एप्लीकेशन विच इज़ यूज्ड बाय यू. सो ऐप को तो सबको पता है व्हाट इज़ एन ऐप. द थ्रू विच यू आर सीइंग दिस वीडियो इज़ एन ऐप. द particular icons. Suppose this icon app used by you is used by you. This icon app is used by you, right? There are many apps which are used by you. These are the icons of that app. Facebook and I should say what any Insta banaya, YouTube banaya, kya banaya, just consider it any random app. These are the apps which you use. They are really beneficial for you, right? And I should say there are thousands of games, apps. I'm not even able to see them. If I just starting them names, you will be like, मैं तो पता नहीं कहाँ घूम गया. So now let me name some: Clash of Clans, Temple Run, Solid Trade, Candy Crush Saga, Angry Birds, Trivia Crack, Free Fire Max, Battlegrounds, BGM. I know there are numerous games apps, social apps, messaging apps. So let's just come back to the chapter. It's all about that only part. Android and iOS. So now what is this Android and iOS? So नाम सुने लग रहे हैं. आपका फ़ोन, most people uses Android. iOS, due to its more cost, less people right now use it. But in the upcoming future, there would be no one using Android, I should say. Android would completely clash down. The usage of Apple phones would be more. Android and iOS, they both are an operating system. Like, operator of a smartboard is the smartboard monitor. Operator of a computer is computer monitor. Operator of the house is mother or father. Similarly, to just use these phones, there are a particular operating systems. Android and iOS, they are one of them. So now talking about types of apps, so let's dive into this. Those also apps, they are the software programs that provide specific functionality to your phone. Nowadays this seems to be an app for everything, right? आपको बुकिंग करनी है, अपनी फोटोज अपलोड करनी है, right? You have to do anything. There are apps nowadays made. Now there are 3 types of apps: native app, web app, and hybrid app. These are the three types of apps, I should say. Native apps, they are developed for a particular platform or device. Apps built for system like iOS phone cannot be used on other platforms. In other words, you cannot use Android app on iPhone. The majority of the mobile apps कौन पढ़ेगा इतना लंबे पैराग्राफ को. So let me tell you कि native apps are the apps. देखो native. अब हमारी इंडिया की नेटिव ऐप्स की बात करें यानी नेबरिंग कंट्रीज़ की बात करें तो देयर आर ओनली सम, राइट. सो उसी तरह जो हमारा प्लेटफॉर्म या डिवाइस होता है उस पर भी एक पर्टिकुलर ऐप चल सकते हैं. कई ऐप्स ऐसी होती हैं, उनको हम नेटिव ऐप्स बोलते हैं. कई ऐप्स ऐसी होती हैं. टॉकिंग अबाउट एडोब स्कैन, इट कैन वर्क ऑन ऑल, बट टॉकिंग अबाउट आर एनी फ्री इमेज to PDF converter, it won't work on iPhone because they only tend to be work on the particular operating system. They cannot work on all the operating systems. यानी iOS में चलने वाली ऐप iOS में ही चलेगी, Android Mac में नहीं चलेगी. Talking about web apps, so they're actually website that provide a user with experience similar to native apps. They're not developed to App Store, rather they're developed to a web service and user access them in a. अब ये क्या है हमारा इतना लंबा पैराग्राफ जो लिखा हुआ है हमारा, जो इतना बड़ा पैराग्राफ, द पैराग्राफ विच इज़ रिटन दिस मच लॉन्ग एंड वाइड, व्हाट एक्चुअली इज दिस वेब ऐप. सो लेट मी टेल यू इन ब्रीफ. वेब एप्स, दे आर द एप्स विच आर complete, I'm sorry for that. Web apps are the websites that provide the user with experience similar to native apps. Now you go to Google Chrome. There are few apps which you can operate is really which do not have particular app for them, right? Like all the programming languages, they can only be accessed on the web. Now talking about the hybrid apps, it is the combination of both native and web app elements. Native is developed for specific platform. Web app is generalized for multiple platforms and do not install on computing devices but made available over the internet. This line is important from here to here. This is a short definition on native and web apps. So जो hybrid apps हैं, they are developed for specific web platforms and developed to an app stores. They can access many hardware features of a device such as its camera. Web apps, they are built with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Developers use development tools. Hybrid, they're cross-platform. It means the same code can run on many mobile platforms. Now there are hybrid apps. They can be downloaded as well as it can be accessed over the platform. Talking about Khan Academy, it is having an app and it can be accessed on the web as well. Talking about Canva, it can be downloaded but also used on the mobile phone. Now talking types. Now talking about the categories. So the gaming apps, they help the user to improve their cognitive skills such as attention and focus. Some gaming apps encourage children to learn through play. These also helps find friends who play the same game and post their scores on social media. Right, gaming apps, we all know, we all play games. So let me name some: Clash of Clans, Candy Crush, Angry Birds Go, Temple Run, Solid Trade, Trivia Crack, Free Fire Max, BGMI, Battlegrounds, Scary Teacher 3D, Granny, Call on Duty, and many more. Right? Minecraft, Roblox, there are many gaming apps, right? So business or productivity apps, they are just capable of performing many complex tasks. They're developed to help us to be more productive. Google Calendars, Evernote, image editing, to-do list, translators, Dropbox. These are some of the productivity apps which helps you to be more productive for the day. Entertainment apps, we all know: Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Amazon Mini TV, Woot, YouTube, Hotstar, Talking Tom Cat, right, Geo Cinema. There are many entertainment apps through which we can see many I should say serials, movies, etc. Utility apps, so they are the handy tools and helps you to perform simple tasks like calculator, flashlight, speed test master, how is your speed in typing, right? Travel apps, Google Earth, Google Trip, Google Maps, Ola, for your traveling, the apps which are used for the booking for the traveling purposes. Talking about the educational apps, Khan Academy, Byju's, Physics Wala, Duolingo, Coursera. These are the apps which helps you to study. Talking about the social networking apps, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Telegram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp. These are the social networking apps which connects you to the different friends of yours with whom you are not now. Talking about the communication apps through which you communicate, phone, WhatsApp, Gmail, Skype. Right, through this you communicate. Talking about shopping apps, Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart, Paytm Mall, eBay, Snapdeal. These all are our shopping apps. So this was all for today. I hope you learned a lot. So thank you.